everyone, welcome to ASL with Abby. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign letters of the alphabet A to Z in American Sign Language. Watch, sign along, and learn. Let's begin. A, like so. A, B, B, C, it goes into a curve. D, it makes a stroke and the curve, and then the thumb touches the tip of your middle finger and every other finger just falls along, like so. D. E. The thumb goes over 4 fingers. E. F. F. G. This is how it looks like inside. G. H, like so. This is what it looks like inside. H, I, J. Now this is I holding up the pinky. For J, you hold up with the pinky and draw J in the air. J. K, hold up 2 fingers and then stick your thumb here. K. L, stroke and dash. L. M, stick your thumb into 3 fingers. M. N, stick your thumb into 2 fingers this time. The difference between M and N is 1 less finger. O. Letter O. P. P is actually letter K, only facing down. That's right, P. Q. Q is letter G, but facing down. R, crossed fingers. R. S goes into a fist. S. T. The thumb goes into the index finger and the middle finger stays in between them. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Y. And finally, Z. Hold up your index finger and draw Z in the air. Bravo! Well done. So that is how you sign letters of the alphabet A to Z in American Sign Language. If you benefited from this video, click the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this one. And if you have any question, leave a comment in the comment section. So I see you next time. Bye.